What's up guys, Rise Tax here, and today I'm doing something I probably will regret, and I'm playing White Noise, and I think that I'm going to be doing for the whole week, and it's basically a scary game themed week because it's Halloween, and we're playing White Noise, and basically the idea of White Noise is you're supposed to find these videotapes, and there's a big demon after us. Oh fuck, I've already found one. No. Shit. I'm actually scared guys, I don't know what to do this. Oh no, no, I don't even want to look. No, like, even if it makes a noise, like, I'm out. Like, I'm not playing, I'm sorry, but... Oh, it's only a game. How's he already here? No, I'm sorry, but I've only been playing for like 10 seconds, I've already pooed myself. What? What? How are you there? Excuse me. How are you there? How are you there? Like, I don't understand. Can you run? Fucking run, boys. Let's run, boys. Come on. Shit, I'm gonna have to go in here. Not looking. I'm not looking. Right, boys. Yes. Let's go. Oh man, I'm actually scared. Hey, we'll just take it calm. You know, we'll just calm down, boys. You know. Why can I not see a thing? What? Where did I buy my flashlight from? Jesus, the batteries have lasted like 6 seconds. And we're walking towards a tombstone. Yay. Why is there a road and like you can't leave the road? I don't know if I can explain this because I'm too scared. Oh, fuck. Where's what I need to find? Oh wow. I didn't want to find that actually. I'm just gonna move this a little bit. So what, 3 out of 8. This is going well, lads. I'm enjoying this. And I'm not scared because I'm awesome. I'm just gonna follow the path. Follow the grey brick road. Follow the grey brick road. Follow the grey brick road. Walk into a creepy fence. Find a shitty road. No maintenance. I don't even give a shit. I'm just gonna keep walking. Follow the yellow sidewalk. Follow the yellow sidewalk. Follow the yellow sidewalk. I mean, look at that. There's pillars in the middle of the road. And he's gonna be in this forest. Oh, my jaw cracked. Oh, I've stopped. Oh, guys, I'm actually. I don't like this. How are you? No, I'm sorry. He's just tickling me right now. He's just playing with my balls. Right, I'm running. Why is he chasing me in the first place? Why am I here? Why am I conveniently in a forest in the middle of the night? I mean, look up. It's actually quite a nice night. What can I do? What can I do? I'm stuck. The road's just disappeared. Run. Do it for the vine. Do it for the vine. RKO out of nowhere. RKO out of nowhere. Trick shot, phase. Oh, baby, triple. Get the camera, mom. Get the camera, mom. Fucking be triple phase. Bakey, baby. Whew, that was close. Right. We're in another graveyard. A lot of bloody graveyards around here. Is it in here? Nope. This can be in one of these, isn't it? Yep. 4, baby. Halfway there. Shit. Right, we're doing well. I don't even know what my record is in this. I don't even want to know, to be honest. I don't care anymore. I just want to leave. Why did I think this would be a good idea? I've got to play Slender tomorrow. I mean, how do you think I feel thinking about that? Going to bed tonight thinking I have to play another scary game I don't like. Actually, I've never played Slender. Is that bad? It probably is. Oh. Thank Jeebus. Oh! Oh! I think I just... No. No.